Hi, magandang araw. Ito nga pala si Boy, ang small engine mechanic dito sa New Zealand. So for today's video, meron akong bagong tools. So kailangan talaga ito ng mga mekaniko. Ito ay tinatawag na tools na soldering iron. Ang madalas na soldering iron, yung typical or regular soldering iron ay kuryente at saka butane gas. So meron na ngayon rechargeable. Ito rechargeable, yan. For today's video, in English, the one that I said earlier, there's there's two types of soldering iron. Soldering iron is the one you weld in the wire. Okay, the two types is electric and a butane gas. Okay, that's the regular and typical soldering iron before, and now they have a cordless rechargeable soldering iron. This is much better when you're doing outside wiring, and you don't need to set up a wire going to a engine or a trailer. That's why I need this rechargeable thing. So we're gonna unbox it, and I'll show you what's the items inside. Okay, let's go. It has a still have a seal. That means still brand new, never been opened, this thing in here in New Zealand. So I buy it in Supercheap. They have a Supercheap, and the brand is Hot Devil rechargeable cordless soldering iron. Okay, let's go. Let's see what's inside. So excited. Okay, peel off the seal, then take that off. Ooh, still have a little box inside. Okay. Typical unboxing. There's a manual. I know everyone don't read the manual. Okay, no one's read the manual, even if you have a new items or a new equipment or a new gadget. No one's read the manual. Okay, inside the box there was another adapter for soldering iron. That's the one. This is the one, that main soldering iron, and the flux, and a charging cable. The charging cable is type C. As you can see, it's type C. It's easy to access. And charger. This is the charger. No, this is the stand. This is a stand. Put the thing so that you will not be burned, or you misplace it and you touch it and you're gonna be burned by yourself. Okay, this is the rechargeable thing, and it has a battery indicator if you're getting battery low, so that you can charge it. So this is so good, and the power button is on the side, and the charging port is at the end. Okay, so let's put it and check it. The butt of the heat rod is like a battery. Okay, and it's like a battery inside. Yeah, I think this in the middle is a positive, and this thing metal is negative, and the heat will go here at the end of the rod. Okay, let's put it on. Thing is 2 green and 1 it means 100% charge. This one means it's ready to use. Oh, it's getting hot. To start it up, you need to press it 3 times, and this one blink. 1, 2, 3. Then after the blink, you need to press long press 1, 2, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and we'll on. Okay, that's on already. Okay, and if you want to turn it off, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's gonna loading for off. Yeah, that's off for storage. Look at that, it's melting. See that? It's melting. Then it has a brush to clean up. So let us see if it's still working if you do not touch the sensor. It's not working. Look. Okay, it's not working. You need to press this so that it can work. Okay, then it will heat it up again. Look, it's smoking. Oh, that's really good. Okay, we need to that's the sensor. Okay, if you want to turn it up, press 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then lights go off. Yeah, and this one. Look at that. It's like a saber sword. It's like a saber sword. Charan. Okay. Okay. This is Boyong again, a small engine mechanic here in New Zealand. I hope you enjoyed my video and to this nice and very good soldering iron. Okay. Hope you see you in the next video. Let's go. Please like and share my video, and I will have a game next video. In my next video, you need to like and share, and if you share it and someone like it to your and if you have many likes in your share, I will give you a 500, 300 and 100 in via Gcash. Okay, so magpapalaro ko sa susunod. Sa next video ko, pag na-share nyo yung video ko, tapos kayo ang pinakamaraming share, mananalo kayo ng 500, 300 at 100. Pipila ko 3, first, second, third. Bibigay ko sa Gcash. Okay, let's go.